Hello dear students, my name is Mukesh and you're watching my YouTube channel. After a huge appreciation, I am back with a new preposition and that is I and in. There are 12 important uses of preposition in. I'll explain in Hindi and English both the languages and later I'll give one or two examples. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and stay tuned till end. Let's begin. So the first use of preposition in, it is used to show place, inside or to position inside a particular area or object. Let me describe in Hindi. पूर्व सर्ग, स्थान का निर्देश, अंदर या किसी क्षेत्र या वस्तु के भीतर कोई स्थिति में एक शब्द में कहें तो के अंदर. Example, he dipped his brush in the pant. Her husband is in hospital. Now the second use of preposition in, showing time, means during a period of time. हिंदी में कहें तो समय का निर्देश एक समयावधि के दौरान, means in one word, में. My birthday is in September. Rajasthan Royal won IPL in 2018. We go to play badminton in evening time. Now third use of preposition in, showing time after a period of time. हिंदी में कहें तो समय का निर्देश एक समयावधि के बाद. वापस इसका एक और मीनिंग है में. Example, she learned to drive in 2 weeks. He will come back in few hours. Dinner will be ready in 20 minutes. Now fourth use of preposition in, wearing something, कुछ पहने हुए हैं. That lady in green dress is my grandmother. You need to be in uniform while coming to school. The man in the black hat is my neighbor. Now fifth use, showing the condition or state of somebody something. हिंदी में कहें तो व्यक्ति या वस्तु की दशा स्थिति व्यक्त करने के लिए प्रयुक्त. आई एम इन लव विथ फ्लावर्स. आपने कई बार सुना होगा आई एम इन लव विद यू. सो आई एम इन लव विथ फ्लावर्स. माई मदर इज इन पुअर हेल्थ. सिक्स्थ यूज ऑफ preposition in, showing somebody's job or the activity somebody is involved in. हिंदी में कहें तो नौकरी या काम जिसमें कोई लगा है का निर्देश करने के लिए प्रयुक्त. Example, she's got a good job in sales and marketing. Second example, Arjun is in medical line. Now seventh use of preposition in, contained in or forming the whole or part of something. हिंदी में कहे तो किसी में समाविष्ट, किसी पूर्ण वस्तु का अंग या पूर्ण वस्तु. Example, there are 31 days in December. What's in this box? Third example, all the paintings in the collection were beautiful. Now the eighth use of preposition in, it is used for saying how things are arranged. हिंदी में कहें तो यह बताने के लिए प्रयुक्त कि चीजें कैसे लगाई गई हैं या लगी हैं. For example, they sat in rows. Second example, the novel is written in 4 parts. Now ninth use of preposition in, used for saying how something is written or expressed. हिंदी में कहें तो ये बताने के लिए कि लेखन किस उपकरण जैसे कलम पेंसिल से लिखा गया है या किस भाषा में जैसे हिंदी इंग्लिश में लिखा गया है. Example, Ram talked in French. Next example, please speak in English. Now the 10th use of preposition in, used for giving the rate of something and for talking about numbers. In हिंदी किसी वस्तु की दर बताने या संख्या विषयक चर्चा के लिए प्रयुक्त. Example, one family in 10 owns a car. 10 में से एक फैमिली के पास कार होती है यहाँ पे. Now 11th use, used for something received by somebody official. तारीख का निर्देश करने के लिए प्रयुक्त यूज करते हैं. Entries should be in by 20 January. Next, all the applications must be in by Monday. Last use of preposition in, used about the sea at the highest point when the water is closest to the land. समुद्र में ज्वार का निर्देश, ज्वार भाटा आप जानते हो. The tide is coming in. So these were 12 uses of preposition in. I hope you liked, guys. I described in English, Hindi, and try to give examples. I'm giving you a challenge. How many examples you can write into the chat box after watching this video? If you really like, then please share this video with your friends. I'll be right back having the next preposition. Till then, keep watching and keep sharing. Thank you.